Hi, my name is Tyler Cobble, and I want to give you a free copy of my best-selling book, Open for Business, The Insider's Guide to Leasing Commercial Real Estate. So I've been helping small business owners for the last 5 years find and lease commercial real estate, and in this book, we walk through the pitfalls that many business owners can find when they're looking for space and how to avoid them. So in the book, we talk about how to determine your needs, whether you even need commercial real estate. If you're able to work out of your garage or out of your office, I do highly recommend that. If you're able to find a co-working space that works for your team, do that as well, because you do not need to put any sort of financial strain on your company when you're first trying to get it started. Then we go into the process of how to assemble your A-team. You need a good broker, you need an attorney, you need a contractor. We walk through the process of how you're going to find the best people to make sure that you get the best deal possible. And then we're gonna help you negotiate the lease. Negotiating the lease is one of the most important aspects of leasing space that a lot of people don't even think about, because unlike that apartment that you leased when you were in college, everything in a commercial lease is negotiable. And it's the little nuances of a lease that can really come back to bite you.
One of the things that really stood out working with Tyler and the Cobble Group is I had super specific needs that I wasn't willing to settle on, and he was with me on that. From the get-go, he wanted to know everything about what I was working to achieve. And so he wanted to know the branding and my vision, what everything looked like in every detail. And that was important to me no matter who I work with. I feel like everybody needs to know that information. If they're not asking for it, then maybe they don't really care as much as they should. And I know that he cares, and he's become even a friend to this day.
Dealing with small business owners on a daily basis, we see people who are experts in their industry who are not necessarily experts on leasing commercial real estate. And unfortunately, that can get small business owners into a pinch, because they'll have expenses and things pop up that they had not anticipated that we could have prevented on the front end. One of the biggest being HVAC. I see a lot of business owners taking responsibility for the HVAC units in their lease when they really shouldn't do that, because it's not an asset that you can ever take with you. So I wrote this book to prevent things like that. I don't want to see small business owners ever having to close their doors based on their real estate decisions. I wanted to bring a more modern approach for my clients so that we could find them the best deals in the best spaces possible. So we do everything that we can to educate and communicate with our clients, because we feel that the better prepared our clients are, the more successful they'll be in the long run. So go ahead and fill out the order form on this page to get your free copy of Open for Business.